So now he's been facing a lot of like racial abuse and stuff online.
The guy
Who skate?
The guy who injured,
killed him is black?
Yeah. So now on Twitter, people are like, okay, black people make up 1% of hockey players, but commit 100% of them.
Turn right onto the I-480 East ramp.
Now it's kind of like a thing. It's kind of like a thing between like.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Continue on I-480 East for 1 mile.
That makes it even more true. Thinking of it, because that's exactly like the story that's going to probably last on that individual side. Definitely. And the other guy's family. This is
Yeah, 100%. Look, black, and learning that black players have been ostracized outside of the NHL for years, saying that they're not good enough, they don't know the sport.
In half a mile, take exit 15 for Ridge Road toward US 42.
Should not play hockey. And for this to happen to somebody black, and I'm not saying, pardon me, because I'm saying that wrong. They be like, nothing happened to him. You say the shit the wrong way. But him to be the person.
Take exit 15.
And it's black, and black people aren't really seen in hockey. Now, you know, this was the NHL, but just any.
In a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Ridge Road.
Especially with the future younger black hockey players are going to have to deal with moving forward. Because listen, and
use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Ridge Road.
now what happens is any other black hockey player, if they're moving funny, it's going to hey,
you got to watch your movement.
Calm down. We don't do that. And they may not even be doing anything.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Northcliffe Avenue.
Microscope on top of them, because now it's like, yo, bro, what the fuck?
Yeah, we need to keep those skates on the ground.
Right, exactly. Or not even watch your elbows, or watch your pushing, or you're not doing this right. So this is going to leave a stain for future black hockey players moving forward, being that we didn't have a big impact already.
And I'm thinking about that because
turn left onto Northcliffe Avenue, then turn left.
And I can't imagine what that would have been like if it had happened the other way around. It would be as traumatic.
I mean, absolutely. But the way Stat just broke it down, I'm totally agreeing with you. Listen to what they said. They make up 1% of the hockey society, but 100% of the hockey murders. So if it was the other way around, it's not like it's a lot of black